Hello guys, in today's video, welcome to another unboxing video and my channel. So today, let's get started. So the thing we're gonna do today is make a Lego, what is it? Lego City? No. Lego Technique? No, it's Lego Super Mario! And here we got Mario, and the actual Mario is in here, and I don't think we need to put batteries in it. So let's get started. Let's start building. Okay, where's you? Okay, there. Let's go! Let's see what we got. What's this? Let's see what's in it. Let's see what's in it. Okay, we gotta first look at the back. We got back 3. We got back 2. Looks cool. We got bag 1. Let's see if we can find the Mario. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, we got the bag 4. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we've got stickers. Oh my god, I do not like when there is stickers. Oh, wait, look, it's like super. Hey, here's the instructions. Finally, I've been looking for this. Love it. And then let's see if we can find the Super Mario. Okay, there's no Super Mario. But no, I think the Super Mario is technically in this white box. Let's see if he is. Oh my gosh. Wait, he is! He's actually in here! Oh my god, we're about to open him in for the first time. Wait, isn't he supposed to be wearing a hat and stuff? Oh, it's in... Of course it's in bag 1. Well, okay, so... We're just gonna set up Mario, but we gotta see if we can turn on Mario. Of course not, because we need batteries. Okay, so while my mom's getting the batteries, we're just gonna get back 1. Let's see. Okay, then we're gonna follow the instructions. Yes, we need batteries for the Lego Mario. Okay. So so it's saying to open bag 1. Okay guys, sorry about that. I went to grab some batteries for the Lego Super Mario thing, and let's see what happens if we turn on. If we turn on the back, you can see that on button, right? Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's so cool! And I heard they can do more than just one thing. Let's see what it can do. Wait, let's see. Wait, it can walk. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, who made this thing, bro? I think we can jump. What the? Wait, I want to see that. Wait. It's so cool, bro. Okay, let's see what you can do. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see what happens if we put it on my finger. It's burning because if we lay it on red, look, and then look, it's dead. And then to go with it, we're gonna make the bomb. Okay, so see you later. Okay. Okay, let's open bag 2 because we're about to make our Mario Kart, which is gonna be the craziest part of this unboxing video, and I am so excited. And if you think you're excited about the Mario, get this set at the toy store right now, so you can look at this minifig, giant, bigger than Lego Duplos, so we can make it. We've already, okay, we've got it back 2. Let's go! are almost done already. Okay guys, we are done building the Lego set and look at it. It looks so cool and I can't wait to give you like a quick tour. But speaking of that, I learned something from the Mario. If you put it on a purple Lego piece, then you just like, I don't know, it's like oxide. And I just discovered if you put it on my phone, then it's like lava. Yeah, but okay, let's go. So we can put the Lego Mario actually in the Mario Kart, which is cool, right? Woo! I love it. And the best part about this set is there's a bullet you can actually shoot. Do you see that? Let's go. Let's go again. I'm gonna just. Okay. If you guys saw that, then subscribe. Then okay, so then and also there's a feature where you can change it to be different colors. Like I've got this green one here, which is Luigi's favorite color, Mario's brother. Let's see. Okay, cool. But I like the red one more because they have the Mario minifig. Okay, and then let's see if he can get through. Let's see if Mario can get through this obstacle course. We've done the start, the cones, the wall, lucky block, the finish line, the ramp, which it can actually use this sideways, this illegal building, this building technique that can go in any direction. And also the bomb, of course, yeah, I already said the bomb. Now 3, 2, 1. It's him! Woo! And then now he's dizzy, of course. And then, so, I almost forgot to tell you that there's a banana peel on this side where if you knock this banana peel there, then it actually just goes and then it'll just go to another player in the games. Well, that's the end of today's video. Goodbye.